Hey guys, this is Pushpanya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, what are we gonna make today? I'm thinking for making an earring. Yes. So, for making an earring, we need earring hook, jump rings, and chain. So, first, I'm gonna insert one jump ring at the end of the chain. Um, yes. Yeah, that's done. Now I'm gonna insert one hook and I will close the jump ring. Don't keep it open. And yes, one earring's prepared. I have made another one like this. Now let's see how's it looking. Oh wow, how beautiful it is looking. So I'm loving it. Yeah. So I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Till then, take care everybody. Bye bye. Love you all.